You can also easily work around with shapes inside of Fusion. So over here you can see that I have a background and a media out right here. And in order to work around with shapes, you don't have a straightforward approach in Davinci Fusion. So what you have to do is you need to go around under effects right here. So once you go around under effects, you can go around under tools right here, and under tools you'll be able to see shape right here. So from over here you can bring in different shapes like stars, like rectangles, as you can see just like this. So let me just go around over here and bring in an ellipse over here. So you can see that right now you don't see anything. You do see the ellipse outline, but you don't see anything right there. So what you need to do is you need to add in a shape render right here. So you need to go around and connect out the ellipse to the shape render, but still you don't see the output. That is because, again, you need to connect the render node over here onto media out. So let me just disconnect this and connect this to media out. And you can see that now there's this render for the shape right here. You can see that now the render is going onto the media out. And I can go around and attach out the background to the render over here as well. But without doing this, let me just go around over here. You can see that as I attach this, there is no background right there. That is because we need to connect it into a mirrors right here. So let me just go around over here onto search itself and type in mirrors, and then over here you can see that mirrors node can be brought in as well. So you need to connect out the render right here to mirrors just like this, and then connect the mirrors to media out and the background over here onto the mirrors, and then you can see that this is what you have. So talking about mirrors right here, if you want multiple shapes out there, then you can use S mirrors over here. But before that, let's just go around onto this ellipse right here. So you can interactively move this around as you select this node, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around over here, change around the border width, work around with the offset, change around the width, the height, the angle, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around onto the style and choose around the color for the shape, as you can see just like this. And you can go around and then utilize the red, green, and blue value over here as well, and access out other settings just like this. But if you want to bring in more than one shapes, then you can do that easily as well. For that, you need to bring in another shape, of course. So let me just go around and then erase out the search area right here, and then I'm going to go around onto the tools right here, and then I'm going to select out shape. So once I go around and do that, let me just bring in a star right here and add in the star to the render. You can see that nothing happens right now because one render can only bring in, let's say, connect out one shape. So let me just disconnect this, and you can see that I have two shapes now. And in order to connect out both of the shapes onto the shape render right here, we need to go around and add in a shape mirrors node as well. So to do that, over here, you can see S mirrors is here under shape itself. So let me just bring that in. And now I'm going to connect the ellipse right here onto the shape mirrors, and then star over here onto the shape mirrors. Bring in the shape onto the render, and you can see both of the shapes right here. So now you can bring in as many shapes as you want and connect it out to shape mirrors right here, and you can go around, resize it out right here. You can change around the width, the height right here. You can see you can change around the corner radius over here and place it wherever you want. You can go around over here and change up the style over here as well. Go around over here, go around onto the style just like this, and change around, let's say, red just like this. As you can see, you can go around, move this around, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you got the rectangle, you got the ellipse right here. You can see that there's this star right here just like this, and all of the shapes are over here. So you can see that that is what you have. You can go around right here, place it wherever you want. So you can see that all of these are being connected onto the mirror shape right here. So once this is done, you can go around over here onto the controls, change around different properties. So let's say you want to change around the control of the star right here. You can go around with the control, and you can go around, change around the depth, let's say, for example, and change the number of points over here as well. You can also go around and animate all of these, as you can see, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you got all of the shapes right here connected onto a shape mirrors right here. And then once that is done, you can see it is connected onto the render right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You can disconnect out the shapes right here, just like this. And then let's say you want to connect out the star. There you go. There's the star right here. Now let me just go around, bring in the ellipse right here. And if I were to go around right here, I can bring in the rectangle over here, just like this as well. So based on the order, you can see the location of the shapes, that is which one is in the front or back, changes out as well. So let's go around over here and disconnect out the star. Let's say, for example, bring the star over here, connect it out right here. So let me just go around and disconnect these right here. If I were to bring in ellipse and then rectangle right here, and then let's say, for example, the star right here, now you can see that the star is at the front of all of the shapes right here. Then you can see it is all going into this mirrors node right here, and from mirrors node it is rendering the shapes right here, and that is being mirrored again over here with the background right here, and then you're getting the media out over here. So that is how you can see that you can bring in shapes and change around its properties right there to change around the shape as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.